Hello everybody. Today we're going to create a formula field in Salesforce. Well, you're going to wonder what is a formula field. So a formula is similar to an equation that is executed at runtime. So for example, you wanted to, okay, just before I get there, in some organizations, there are executives working the account, but a lot of times they want to assign sales development representative to the account based on the account owner that works up the account, warms it up, does a lot of the different tasks, and the account executive is working on different tasks while the SDR warms up the lead and things like that. So instead of mass assigning those SDRs to accounts, some organizations, what they like is to have the assigned SDR field as a calculated or as a formula field, which is dependent on who the account owner is. So they can have formulas if the account owner equals ABC or XYZ, have the assigned SDR automatically equals so and so, for example. So we're going to follow up with that example by creating a formula field today for the assigned SDR. So let's go to setup. And first we're going to search for the object under which we want to create the formula field. So in this instance, it's going to be accounts for us. So we click on that. Then we click on new and the formula. We select formula here. Hit next. And the type of data it's going to contain, we got to select it here. So in this instance, it's going to be text that it's going to store, that field is going to store. So the field label, assigned SDR, for example. We hit next. This area is where you create the formula if so-and-so, if the account owner equals so-and-so or the account owner equals so-and-so, then the assigned SDR text field is going to equal this. So basically you're creating that equation in this area. So let's go to advanced formula. Insert a field that we're going to create the filter criteria on, or the condition on. So it's going to be username, insert. So here we can do account username. If it's a simple formula that there's only one owner, equals abc at test.com, for example. You want to be, okay, if owner username equal test, abc at test.com, then have the assigned SDR text equals John Doe. If it's not, the account owner is not equals to ABC, then let's say Jane Doe. So basically how the if works is like, let's look at it here. So the if is a logical test. So you have logical test here. If owner.username equals abc at test.com, then the true condition, if it matches this, then the true condition is this, and the false condition is this. So that's that. But let's say if there's a multiple, like if you want an owner.username equals abc at test.com or owner.username equals xyz at test.com. In that instance, you can do an or condition. So basically, let's do this. So, or if owner.username equals abc, or owner.username equals and it's double equal to like so equals xyz at test.com, then this is going to be the true condition. So, or if owner.username, these two are met, So the true is going to be John Doe and the false is going to be Jane Doe. You click on check syntax here, and you can see here there's no syntax errors, but let's say if I did have an extra parentheses, you can quickly see it tells you, normally it tells you where the problem is. So let's hit check syntax again, and I would let treat blank fields as blanks. It's up to you. You hit next, where you want it to be visible, under which security. You hit next, which page layout would you like to add the field under. Just hit save. So now what the assigned SDR field is going to do is that it's going to automatically populate based on who the account owner is, based on your logic. So you can have multiple ORs in there, with multiple if criteria. Whatever way you want to create a formula, I mean, just create the formula there, and any logic you want, you can incorporate it into that formula field. Okay, so that's it for creating a formula field in Salesforce. Hope that was helpful. Thank you.